Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone doing great. So today is Saturday, time is around 5 o'clock and we are going to the short ride towards Shamirpet road inside the village. So what's special about today is we're not going to come back, so we're going to stay over there overnight, enjoy the nature. We're going to have a bonfire there, snacks, dinner and the breakfast. So this was not planned in advance. It was just 1 week ago we planned, and 4 of them have turned up from our group. Hope most of them have seen the last video. So we have one biking club which is High Bikers. So we are there from 2015 May, so it's been more than 9 years. So the next year May we will be completing the 10 years. So we have done lot of rides, lot of cars rides, and so all the people who have joined us, we've been there with us more than 7 years. Okay, so that's all. So I just wanted to enjoy the ride and stay back and stay away from the what you call pollution and traffic. That is what we decided to go for a ride and stay. So hopefully tonight will be a good night, because a lot of things planned. Campfire and dinner and a lot of experience we're gonna share, like Ravi sir and Sriraj sir, who traveled many places, and he has a lot of bikes. Sriraj sir, like he today is coming in RXZ, and he has RX100, RD350, so many bikes in his garage. So he's very passionate biker. So Bommarasipetta. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be showing that place where we are going, also the resort. Most of them have already seen that video. I went there before with my family, and now the extended family with the bikers, I'm going there. Totally worth going there anytime. So we have already advance booked a week ago, and let's see how it will be. Anyways, this is winter, and you guys also can go any places where you find nearby. So for us it is around 40 kilometers from the place where we have started. Now more 15 kilometers we have to go. Beautiful road and beautiful curves. अच्छा బాగుంది కదా రోడ్డు.
ఇది తీసి కొంచెం కిందికి ఎక్కడ అసలుకే ఒకటే కొనుక్కొచ్చిన ఐడియా లేక. ఇక్కడైనా ఓకే.
అవును. Most of them have not come in this road for the rides. Normal breakfast rides and all people will be doing, right? Because that one reason is you won't find any restaurants or any dhabas towards this location, because it's all country roads. You will find all fields and all. That is one reason I have opted for this resort, where we are going. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed. Not many people, only 4 people we are going, because we don't want it to make it more congested, or make more crowded in terms of this. Wow. So this is what I love in country roads. Everywhere you find buffaloes, cows, goats, sheep. So there won't be much traffic in the country roads. That is one reason I always tend to go to the country roads. Oh, beautiful, man. Atte! Hey! Wow. Again, so many goats on the way. Oh, of course, it's a country road, and you see a lot of fields over here, so definitely you will find a lot of cattle, buffaloes, sheep and everything. Anantaram, 2 kilometers. So we will cross a village called Anantaram. So after that, I think 3 kilometers. I don't know the exact village name where the resort is there, but we have to cross the Anantaram. After that, there is a 3 kilometers. So in map it is showing as 5.5 kilometers. I think from here we have to take a right. I think this is the mid of that village, Anantaram. Again we have to take this road. Oh my god. Almost car lagayega. అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. So more 800 meters. So before we reach that place, we have taken some pictures. Hello. We need to take a left somewhere after 500 meters. Yes, we are close to that place. I think this left we need to take. Yes, this. Finally we have arrived. Somewhere reception and parking this side. మారిల్లానే చూస్తుంటారు మీరు. మారిల్లానే చూస్తుంటావు. This is a dorm room for our 4 people. Decent, not bad. I had some time back and snacks, pakodi and samosa. Evening snacks.
ఉల్టా పెట్టండి అట్లా ఒక
ఏం లేదు అవుట్డేటెడ్ అయిపోయింది.
దగ్గర అయితే రాదు ఇంకా చెప్పలేము.
కదా అదే ఎక్కడికన్నా అందరూ ఇటు తిరగండి సార్.
నార్మల్
బాగా వస్తుంది.
దీంట్లో సైడ్స్ ఉంది సార్, ఎప్పుడు తీసినా అదే
కార్స్ ఉండదు. ఇక్కడ తెద్దాం బాబు సెటప్ బాబు. ఇటు నుంచి ఇలా ఇలా
బాగా
లైటింగ్ ఇక్కడ బాగుందా? ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ అదే సెటప్.
ఇట్లా ఇట్లా తీయాలి.
సెంటర్ లో పెట్టు. సెంటర్ అదే కొంచెం ఇక్కడ రావాలి. నువ్వు నీ కాళ్ళ దగ్గర కావాలి.
రైట్
పెట్టి
ట్రైపాడ్ సెటప్ ఫర్ టేకింగ్ ఫోటోస్.
ఒక్క నిమిషం అప్పుడు నొక్కకు కొద్దిగా ఇప్పుడప్పుడు అలా ఫోటోలు కూడా కనపడుతున్నాయి.
నైట్ క్రియేట్స్ గుడ్డి వస్తుంది. దగ్గర నుంచి చూద్దాం.
Night walk in the resort. In the woods. Into the woods. Into the wild, huh?
బైక్లు కూడా ఉన్నాయి, కలిపి
బైక్లతో పాటు కూడా తీసుకున్నాం.
బైక్లు కలిపి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. బాటిల్ తీసుకొని
ఏమన్నా స్నానం చేయొచ్చు అంటే టవల్ అవి తెచ్చుకున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ టైం క్లియర్ అయింది కదా, ఇక్కడ వైట్ రెడీగా పెట్టి ఎట్లా సార్ అట్లయితే మీరు
నువ్వేం చేయకూడలే, నువ్వేం చేయకూడలే. పెట్టండి, బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ పెట్టండి.
ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఎవరు పెట్టలేదు
ఎవరు పెట్టలే
ఇప్పుడే గుర్తొచ్చింది మీకు.
లాస్ట్ లో గేమ్ అన్న వచ్చి
మా బ్లాక్
ఓకే ఓకే రైట్
ఇక్కడ తీద్దాం బాబు. సేమ్ సెటప్ బాబు. ఇటు నుంచి ఇలా ఇలా
ఇక్కడ బాగా లైటింగ్ ఉంది.
లైటింగ్ బాగుందా?
బాగా ఫుల్ గా
సేమ్ అదే సెటప్. మీరు రండి ఇటు వచ్చండి రాజుగారు.
So to the next morning, now we have just had breakfast, idli and vada and tea. So we're just going for a walk. After this, we'll check out max by 9 o'clock. We'll check out this resort.
జూమ్ చేయండి.
So now we're checking out from the resort. Beautiful resort, amazing way. In case anyone is looking for a resort for a short ride around 40 kilometers from the city, this is the best resort, I say, with the nature view, and also there are fields. That side you have fields. Best time to come to this resort is winter time. In case if you want to stay in the tents also, you can stay, but there are chances of you know maybe snakes or something. Lizards are there, lots of lizards are there, because since we are in the jungle route. Right side wall. चलो around 40 kilometers from here, Suchitra Circle. So we have stopped over here. A beautiful place. I don't know the place name, but during the rainy season I think it will be full. Small mini waterfall it will be. Bommarasipeta village name. So we are going back to home now. It was so relaxing and rejuvenating ride. Hello. Take a ride from here. End of the ride and overnight stay. So in case if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So if anyone wants to join a club, I'll give you the link in the description, Instagram page and also the YouTube links. Please do join and subscribe for more videos. That's all. Tata, see you, bye bye.